Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to answer the question how to check Dubai Islamic bank account number. It's quite simple. You can do this through verified methods. You see, firstly, your DIB account number is a crucial identifier for your bank account. You can typically find it through several secure and verified channels provided by the bank. 1. You can check your account statement. The account number is clearly displayed on your bank statement. You can easily access your statements through online banking. Simply log into your DIB online banking portal, navigate to the account details or statement section. You should be able to view and download the electronic statements. It is called e-statements, which will contain your account number. You can also use the app. If you use the DIB mobile banking app, log in and go to the section that provides details of your account. Your account number should be visible there, and you can often access or request statements through the app as well. E-statements received via email also contain your account number. You can use a physical statement. If you receive physical account statements in your mail, your account number will be printed on them. You can also use DIB online or mobile banking. Once logged into your DIB online banking or mobile app, navigate to the section that shows your account details. Your account number should be listed there. Visiting a DIB branch also helps. If you visit a DIB branch in the UAE, a bank representative will be able to help you access your account details and provide you with your account number after verifying your identity. You can also refer to the initial account opening document. When you first opened your DIB account, you would have received documentation that includes your account number. This could be in the account opening form or a welcome pack from the bank. Your international bank account number (IBAN) for DIB in the UAE is also a way to identify your account for international transactions. The IBAN includes a basic bank account number within a structure. You can often generate or find your IBAN through DIB's online or mobile banking, or by using an IBAN generator tool on the official DIB website, where you will typically input your basic account number to get the full IBAN. Always ensure you are using official DIB channels, that is websites, mobile app, and branches when trying to access your account information for security purposes.